Today, I'm putting two of the most powerful AI models to the test, ChatGPT Image 2 and Gemini Nano Banana 2. Can they turn a blurry photo into a sharp, detailed image while preserving as much of the original detail as possible? To keep things fair, I'll use the exact same blurry image and the exact same prompt for both models. Let the battle begin. Make sure you've installed HitPaw FotorPea. I'll leave the download link in the description below. For today's test, we'll be using HitPaw FotorPea throughout the entire process. But before we jump into the comparison, I have to mention one feature that impressed me, the AI Photo Enhancer. HitPaw automatically analyzes your image and selects the most suitable AI model for restoration and sharpening. And the results can be surprisingly good. Take a look at this before and after comparison. Pretty impressive, right? Now back to the main test. In HitPaw FotorPea, open the AI generator from the sidebar and select Image to Image. Then simply drag and drop your blurry photo into the first upload box. For this experiment, I'll use a prompt that has proven highly effective for image restoration and detail enhancement. Next, it's time to choose our AI model. One thing I really like about HitPaw FotorPea is that it integrates multiple powerful AI models into a single platform, so you don't need to switch between different websites or services. First, I'll select ChatGPT Image 2, which costs 28 credits per generation. Then I'll repeat the exact same process, this time choosing Nano Banana 2, medium quality, which also costs 28 credits. Now let's see how these two AI models perform. First up, ChatGPT Image 2. Here's the before and after comparison. Take a closer look at the facial details, textures, and overall sharpness. Next, let's check out Nano Banana 2. Again, pay attention to how much detail was recovered and whether the image still looks natural. Now for the moment of truth. Let's put all the results side by side. Which one do you think did the better job? Did ChatGPT Image 2 preserve more detail, or did Nano Banana 2 produce a cleaner and sharper result? Let me know your answer in the comments below. If you'd like to try these AI tools yourself, you'll find all the links in the description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials, comparisons, and creative workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.